In today's video, we will discuss about interrogative sentences. Let's start with what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is one which is generally used to ask a question in order to gather information about something. It can be questions about anything at all, casual or specific. Types of interrogative sentences with examples. Interrogative sentences, normally used to ask someone about something, can be categorized into three different types, namely choice questions, yes or no questions, and questions with WH words. Choice questions. This type of interrogative sentences can be used to find out about someone's choice about their likes, dislikes and preferences. For example, do you prefer coffee or tea along with breakfast? What would you choose? Do you like reading books or watching movies? Yes/no questions. This type of interrogative sentence, as the name suggests, only gets a yes or no for an answer. For example, will you come to the library with me? Do you like ice cream? Do you know the answer to this question? Questions with WH words. These types of interrogative sentences are used when you want to gather more information rather than just a yes or a no. These sentences begin with WH words like what, where, when, why, whom, which, whose and how. For example, what is your name? Why are you late? Where are you from? When can you come? Whose book is this? Whom did you meet? Points to remember when using interrogative sentences. Now that you know that there are different types of interrogative sentences, let us look at a few points to remember when forming interrogative sentences. Start the interrogative sentence with an auxiliary verb, a modal verb or a WH question word starting with a capital letter. End the interrogative sentence with a question mark. This is also the first thing that lets one identify an interrogative sentence. The structure of an interrogative sentence is a slightly reversed structure of a declarative sentence. So the structure of an interrogative sentence can be said to be auxiliary verb / main verb / modal verb plus subject plus main verb, in case there is more than one verb in the sentence, plus the rest of the sentence. Uses of interrogative sentences with examples. Though the basic purpose of an interrogative sentence is to ask a question, there is a lot more that interrogative sentences can do. Given below are the uses or rather functions of interrogative sentences. To ask a direct question: what are your plans for the holidays? Where are you going? To request clarification when you say advancements in technology: what did you exactly mean? Are you sure you want to go ahead with this? To confirm something: could you please repeat it? Is this the syllabus for the internal assessment? To gather information: what are the documents that we should submit? Can you tell me how to make these cookies? Check your understanding of interrogative sentences by converting declarative to interrogative sentences. Here is an example for you. Declarative: she teaches English. Interrogative: does she teach English? Cyril is on the way. Rahul is the class leader. Varun bought a new phone. He is a fan of Marvel movies. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Tarun was accused of cheating. Valerie is a doctor. All the new recruits have been asked to attend a training session. They will be here in an hour. Janita speaks French. Now let's check your answers. Is Cyril on the way? Is Rahul the class leader? Did Varun buy a new phone? Is he a fan of Marvel movies? Is Tokyo the capital of Japan? Was Tarun accused of cheating? Is Valerie a doctor? Have all the new recruits been asked to attend a training session? Will they be here in an hour? Does Janita speak French? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.